Hello guys, welcome back to Chumley 105, and it's kind of a sad day here today. We have sold the XR, so I'm gonna get it ready and we're gonna go for a final ride. I got a little bit of a sticky throttle there, so we're gonna pop the throttle off there, clean it up a bit, grease it, and I guess we're gonna take it to sale. So brakes are good. Only thing really wrong with this thing is the tires just a little bit dry rotted in some places, and it's getting wore. Other than that, this thing's actually really clean. I hate to get rid of it, but it just kind of sits in my garage. I ride it every now and again, but I guess sometimes it's just better to have cash in your bank, am I right? You know what would help? If I had the key in it. Okay, round two. Let her warm up for a second. So I'm thinking this should probably be our last ride with the Xr50. I really do hate to get rid of it. Somebody offered me a decent amount of cash for it, so I figured why not take it. Guess it would make a little extra money for some other projects. Here's kind of the sketchy part. Probably wasn't a good idea, but you know, it's too late now to back out. I love fall. Such a nice time of year to ride. Really, it's just a nice time of year to do anything. It's not blistering hot. It's just kind of comfortable outside. And there's a spider in my view. Back brakes work. does make me sad. I still got the 50Z. I mean, it could be worse. I could have no pit bike. I don't know if I keep talking about selling this thing, I want to talk myself out of it, and I don't need to do that. Oh God, in the jungle. Ah. Talking about Caleb's version. It's bushes back here, Zach. Ah, heck. You'll see a video coming up soon of Caleb. Traded his 250F off for 125, and within about 30 minutes of riding it, it locked up. So that's a thing. So be on the lookout for that video. It should be coming up soon. Last time I was out here on the road, I got pulled over. I was on the Xr50 though. Going to post that one to YouTube, but my camera corrupted the files. This jackass here start my thing. What the hell is this guy doing? Which I guess I can understand about a 250 guy or a pound guy driving down the road on a little 50. I guess you kind of have some questions too. A little fun fact for you guys: this bike right here is an exact replica of the one I had as a kid. I think that's why I like it so much. It brings back fond memories of me crashing into holes and trees and sliding out on roads. I wasn't a very good dirt bike rider back then. Probably still ain't, but I'm better. This road's awful bumpy. They got llamas, goats, I think they got sheep too. Oh, typically around here it's cattle farming. So maybe plans for the future on actual pit bike related events. Thinking about getting maybe a 110. Maybe. I don't know. That or an SSR. Quadracers talk pretty high of them, so I figured I might give them a try. If you don't watch Quadracers, you should go check them out on YouTube. They got some pretty good content if you like sketchy stuff. Oh God, a huge dog. It's hot on my tail. Here's another spot the county really loves to put the gravel to. Extremely loose. past the blue tick again, which oddly likes chasing small dirt bikes, I guess. And there it goes. Bye, buddy. Once I get a little bit more money saved up, I'm gonna have to buy another one of these. Cause I had like big plans. I want to put like an 88 big bore on this thing. And I seen one on an eBay special there where it's like had a stroker kit in it too. I figured that'd be really cool. I'd like to put some 110s to shame. There we go. But I think that would be pretty cool, just like a small 50 like this beating 110s. You get a lot of hate probably, but at the end of the day, all that matters is what you think, how you feel about it at the end of the day. Okay, let's see how we fare about going back down the hill with extreme amount of gravel. I'm probably going to cold start it for the people that are buying this. Oh God. This is why that's noisy. Started for the people. I always like it when people cold start units that I'm buying. It gets you a pretty good perspective of how it's going to be before you ride it every day. I was always kind of suspicious of people who warm them up before they get there. Feels like they got something to hide. So probably going to cold start this thing. It is a little cold in nature, but I mean, once it gets up to operating temperature, you can tell it runs great. See? Get that rev. What happened to the stop sign? That's dangerous. See, this is kind of where the 50Z is a lot better. It goes a lot faster, but this one's got more low end. Honestly, I think I like the low end more better. God, do I even speak English? The low end better. Excuse my improper grammar. One more good time's sake. Yep, I feel like that was a pretty good send-off. Oh no, spun out. There we are. Sure am gonna miss this thing. I know I keep harping on that, but this thing has been a really fun bike. Go pick one of these up if you can find them somewhere. Definitely recommend piping them too. Go check out our video on if it's worth it or not to pipe your pit bike. I'm sure you'll get a laugh out of that one. But all right, well, let's head out and meet the buyer.
Look at this money, boys.
The sale was a success. Oh, look at it.
Yeah.
So the sale was a success.
We don't have the 50 anymore.
Yeah, it's really unfortunate. I'm gonna miss it, but definitely needed the cash. Need to make some repairs on the old Mazda here. It's starting to fall apart. So yeah. Alrighty, well, we're gonna cut her here today. Send us off, Eton.
Like, subscribe, comment, let us know how we're doing our videos.
Yeah! Couldn't say it no better than myself.
Bye.